G'day, welcome back. Today I'm actually going to go and do some 3D scanning on the Evo 10. I got an aftermarket ECU and an adapter box from PowerTune, but it didn't come with mounting brackets. So as part of that, I'm going to take my Crowley ferret, scan the engine bay where I want to mount it, and then throw it into Fusion and knock up some brackets and get them cut. And then we'll head back out and fit them up, and hopefully it all fits like it should. Let's head out to the Evo and set up the scan. Alright, as you can see, this is the adapter box and where the link's sitting at the moment. Now, the later models of the PowerTune adapter box and that did come with a bracket, and I've already made up like a bit of a rough bracket already, but the newer models come with a bracket that goes to where the boost solenoid bracket is, and another one that bolts in here. So I'm going to do my own little version of that. And yeah, so the Crowley ferret, pretty much entry-level 3D scanner, plugs into your phone. I'll get this out and move the adapter box and that stuff out of the way, take a 3D scan of the area, and then I'll throw it into Fusion 360 and knock it up, send it off to get CNC cut and folded, and then when they come back we'll see how they fit. So this is the older bracket that I had. I just bolted the link bracket to this that I had laying around and folded it up, but it didn't really support the other one. So that's where I want to mount the adapter box, and down there where the OEM bracket for the boost control solenoid is where I want to mount the ECU itself. So we'll get the ferret out. So I'm just going to use the Crowley scan app and we'll scan this whole area. Alright, so while that sorts itself out and I can send it over to the computer, we'll throw it in the Fusion 360 and knock up some brackets for this, send them off to the CNC. Alright, brackets are back. That's the ECU bracket and the adapter box bracket. So I've still got to figure out how I'm going to mount the adapter box bracket to that. I might just maybe zip tie it in place for now, or see if I can find some bolts and a backing panel to make that work better. But we'll get these in and set it all up, wire it back in, and we should be good to go.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, done and dusted. Power chain adapter box bracket, I did have to modify that slightly, but I'll update the design for that. Link ECU bracket, obviously relocated the boost control solenoid and got rid of the secondary one. Now I did actually make or design a one for the Nexus as well. So if you've got an aftermarket ECU in your Evo 10 and it doesn't have an ECU bracket and you want to be able to mount that there, hit us up on Facebook or Instagram, Evolution by Design, and we'll be able to design one up to suit. And same with the adapter box. If you've got one of the earlier model power tune adapter boxes, hit us up and we'll make a nice little bracket for you. Until the next one, that'll do. See you on the next one.